Wish. Today we're on Wish with £50. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've been going on YouTube looking for different photographic challenges, that sort of stuff, and then I was scrolling on Facebook and then I saw an ad for Wish. You know, that really weird app that sells you really odd things. So I had a look and they sell cameras for around £20. A little light bulb went off in my head and I was like, £20 camera, professional photographer, what can actually happen? What can go wrong, to be honest? So yeah, let's think. If I've got £50, I would need to get a camera, a light, a tripod, and maybe a CPL, like if Wish even do that. So if I do that with £50 on Wish, and then, I don't know, it might be a part 2 to this video. That probably will be, because it's gonna take months for it to arrive. So yeah, in the part 2, I'm gonna unbox the stuff if we find anything, and then go and shoot something with a camera from Wish, and then edit it, or keep it raw. Wait, it probably won't even shoot raw, will it? So yeah, let's get up Wish. Okay, so let's have a little look. Okay, we're on Wish now. So if we go up here, type in camera. I'm actually scared what's gonna happen. Okay, so there's security cameras, drones, a really bad iPhone fake, £166. Whose man's buying this? Whose man? Okay, that's way out of budget. We've only got £50 to get all 3 items, so that's a video camera for £61. Boys, what is this? Okay, new upgraded professional video camcorder, HD 1080p handheld digital camera, 16x digital zoom, supported 32GB SD card. So for £19, wait, it's down from £409 to £19. Boys, I think we got it. Colors and sizes, black. Okay, description. 16 million pixels, so 16 megabyte, but interpolation. So that's digitally. What? Photo format, JPGET. What? Memory card, maximum support 32GB. Battery, 5 dry battery. What's a 5 dry battery? Due to the difference between monitors, the picture may not reflect the actual item. Oh boys, we're getting this. I don't even care. Add to cart. Digital SLR, no camera lens, no memory card. Why would you do that? Digital SLR with 32GB memory card. Yeah, go for it. £27. All right, well, I'll put a tally up here to see what we're up to. So black, £27. Sweet. I saved £382. Okay, what's in my cart? Oh, I don't want that one. That's £19, I don't want that. What the hell is that? Get rid of that as well, remove item. Okay, so camera done, tick. Let's try and find, no, I don't want 5% off. Well, I do want 5% off, but all right, tripod. Oh God. Okay, £8, that's right. £8 again, £6. 47, no. £48. Oh, £6, it's getting better. I want to sort of get the cheapest just because it'll be more funny. Oh, £5. £10. £2. All right, we'll go for this. We'll have a read of this. 103 centimeters high, nice. Professional aluminium alloy scalable camera tripod mount holder stand for smartphones. But will it hold our £400 camera from Wish. Yeah, why not? 100, yeah. Oh, people have actually reviewed it. People have reviewed it. Good quality for price. I was impatient and hoping it would come early, but it was so worth the wait. Great, compact, yeah, let's get it. Buy. I saved £48. Right, shall I put savings as well as our tally? Okay, so what else we need? Camera, tripod. Let's go LED. Oh God, what is that? I'm gonna get demonetized. Oh God, LED light. Nope, 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 nope. Who's buying this? It's got 4,800 reviews. Oh, bro. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. All right. Okay. That's not working. LED. Let's go. Oh God, no. Quick. Torch. I wonder if you can light paint with one of these. £15? More than the tripod, nearly more than the camera. Will I die? Oh my God. Okay, so it smashes windows. £5, yeah, gone then. No batteries, full set, £11. This is gonna be, what are we at? What are we at? 27. Oh, shipping, £22 shipping. Boy. Standard shipping. All right, okay. Shipping doesn't matter, so what are we at? We are at £43, £7 left. What do we need? I doubt they're gonna have a CPL. No way. No way. But what millimeter is that lens? 72 sizes. Oh man. All right, what I'll do, I'll just use my CPL and just hold it in front and see if that works. So, okay, let's, what we got? I've got the torch to light paint with. I've got the camera that, can you even shoot manual on it? Oh brother. Oh brother. Okay, so this is saying like 22nd of September. This is gonna be definitely a 2-part video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy that. And well, I guess now we wait. We wait for it to come, we'll find a location for it, and hopefully it's good, I guess. So any other photographers, any other media sort of people out there on YouTube, I challenge you this. Try and do your craft with £50 off Wish. This could be if you are a professional artist, you have to buy a book, pencils, pens, whatever, £50 off Wish. I can't wait to see the results of the monstrosity of what I'm gonna make. So yeah, let's hope it actually comes quite soon and I don't get ripped off, but I shall see you in about a month to carry on part 2 of this. So I've been Alex. Like and subscribe, chuck on the bell, because yeah, I don't think you want to miss me shooting with a £27 digital camera with a 32GB card. So yeah, Alex out.